Hi, thanks for coming back to my little crafty secret. So I wanted to quickly share a few projects. There are some, that's the majority of the projects, but for this video, I'm going to just show a few samples. And these are just treat bag toppers. I use the Halloween Simon Says stamp card kit, and it's already sold out, so you are not able to find it on their website if you're interested. But they do have each of the items in that card kit available now. But anyway, I did use the paper, the pattern papers there. I grabbed from my stash to stamp and cut out or die cut all of those images there. And I really like this the stamp and die set. There was a lot of non-scary and even like some Halloween images there that could be used for um, other things other than Halloween, such as the pumpkins. So I really liked it a lot. And the stickers are super cute, not too scary. I don't celebrate Halloween in the way that most people do. I do more just like pumpkins and cute things and not really the scary stuff. But I really liked the way, really liked the card kit and the things that it had to offer. And I decided to make little treat bags. And of course, with making those treat bags, I did have some scraps. And so I decided to use those, of course, for scrap cards. That's what I like doing. I seem to do those pretty good. And this time I decided to use the glitter paper that came with it. I thought it was so beautiful. And I was looking for a special reason to use the glitter paper that I get in those kits. And I'm not going to hoard them. I'm just going to use them. That's what they're there for. And you see me fluffing some fringe. Yet this didn't really make me want to buy it on its own when I first saw it. But it came with the kit, and I wanted to try it because it came with the kit, and I thought it actually came out really good. I actually do want to get a couple more packs so I can use it. So these strips, I love it. Simon Says Stamp actually had a stamp set that came out in one of the kits earlier this year, and I didn't get a chance to use that set, but with using the paper that was provided in that kit, I was able to make those strip sentiments. Well, I hope you liked this project share. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and please check out my playlist for all of my Stamp September 2022 projects. Thanks. Until next time.